operation that has co-opted our own national defense establishment and all of Earth humanity's physical sciences to serve an extraterrestrial galactic war beyond human comprehension. Could it be that the greatest secret society's secret is that banking, political, and corporate leadership around the world are slave proxy cutouts serving the covert agendas of extraterrestrial warlords? The revelations of William Tompkins seem to confirm just that. Without advice or consent, humans of Earth have been recruited as unwitting pawns into a war on a galactic scale to serve belligerent alien aggressors. And historic evidence seems to suggest that in 1954, President Eisenhower himself sold our nation out to evil parasitic extraterrestrials in exchange for advanced technologies, creating the military-industrial draconian complex. In his book, The Day After Roswell, retired Army Colonel Philip Corso, former National Security Advisor to President Eisenhower, stated, "We were convinced that whoever the UFO extraterrestrials were, they were tampering with our planet, operating with impudence, and manipulating us constantly and secretly. But it was a secret that had our full compliance, because we were unwilling to admit the truth and fight the war. Those of us in the military who knew what was happening also felt that we could be experiencing an invasion that was more of an infiltration. They were compromising our very systems of defense and government. As long as we were incapable of defending ourselves, we had to allow the ETs to intrude as they wished. We had negotiated a kind of surrender with them as long as we couldn't fight them. They dictated the terms, because they knew what we most feared was disclosure. Hide the truth and the truth becomes your enemy. Disclose the truth and it becomes your weapon. We hid the truth and the extraterrestrials used it against us." Humanity is not about to be invaded. Humanity is not in the middle of an invasion. Humanity has been invaded, and the invasion is nearly in its final stages. Great invasions do not happen with thundering smoke and nuclear weaponry. That is the mark of an immature society. Great invasions happen in secrecy. So does the insidious, malignant decadence spreading throughout our national political institutions, the news media, Hollywood films, and the general population itself actually reveal the alien invasion that has successfully captured our planet. The Draco-reptilian hidden masters who for centuries have manipulated humanity through secret societies. And ultimately, who owns our secret space fleet? Rothschild Zionist bankers? William Tompkins claims our Navy space fleet is under benevolent Nordic alien control. But can we be sure? Trillions of dollars unaccountably vanish from our national defense budget. Are these monies financing secret space fleet protection? They could just as easily be financing a utopian off-world habitat for the super elite, while leaving the planet's expendable surface dwellers to languish in toxic sweatshop slavery. Skunkworks aerospace engineer, Mossad Zionist Ben Rich, stated, "We already have the means to travel among the stars, but these technologies are locked up in black projects, and it would take an act of God to ever get them out to benefit humanity." An arrogant declaration that begs the question, if these technologies don't benefit humanity, just who do they benefit? Is a secret space fleet the ultimate protection of the human race, or the ultimate threat?